Are you guys ready for today's video? Yes? Alright, in today's video, we're gonna be preparing a mask with acai powder. You can apply this mask before makeup or after a very heavy party to give your skin a little bit of love, a little bit of hydration, some antioxidants, some vitamin C, brightness, everything. I hope your skin is completely clean because we're gonna be learning how to make acai powder face mask right now. Alright guys, we have to gather a few ingredients. As you see, this equals 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt. After you add the natural yogurt, start adding 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. You need to add another teaspoon of rose water. Please make sure that your rose water does not have any natural fragrance or perfumes. So now that we pretty much have the base of the mask, let's stir a little bit the mixture to make sure that the oatmeal is soft enough. Add 1 teaspoon of acai powder to the mixture and mix everything together. You're gonna see that it looks like black, but it's actually berry, so it's kind of like a cute purple face mask. The only thing we have to do is to apply on our skin. I was reading a little bit about acai berries, and they are full of antioxidants, and they are great for you to eat them and also apply on your skin. And they have a great amount of power to treat fine lines and wrinkles, to hydrate your skin, gently exfoliates the skin, promotes youthful and supple skin. Or if you see that your skin is losing the natural glow, set your timer for 10 minutes and just relax. That's all you have to do. I really like it, guys. My skin feels very soft. It feels very hydrated, and the fact that it has oatmeal is going to exfoliate your skin, so you're gonna have super soft, radiant skin. If you want to become part of this organic family, it is really simple. Just click that red button. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, just hit the bell notification. And that's all I have to say for today. I will see you on Wednesday. Pura Vida.